Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we'll be working on Dodge Journey, or also known as Fiat Freemont in different markets. What we'll be doing, guys, we'll show you where to find the fuse for the fuel pump. If your Dodge Fiat does not start, guys, for some reason, always check the fuse for the fuel pump, because that's if the fuel pump doesn't work, you will not get fuel, the car will not start. Stay with us, guys, that's what we'll be doing today. In the meantime now, we'll have, guys, more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe to the channel. Our mission is to save you as much money, guys, as we can here at the shop, so please subscribe to the channel. Now, we have two fuse boxes. One is under the hood, one is inside the cabin. We need to locate the one that's under the hood. Doesn't matter which engine you have, the procedure will be the same. So let's go ahead, open the fuse box now. That cover will need to come out, those two things, squish them like that and pull up. Okay, this is your cover. Flip it this way and that layout will correspond to the layout here. We need to locate fuse number 153, guys, 153. Okay, this fuse right there. It's a 20 amp fuse and this is your fuel pump fuse. We have the new fuses that we use listed in the description of the video below, where you can get them from. Really good price, affordable, fast shipping as well. So, okay, we're going to go ahead, get the fuse puller on top of the fuse and pull it out. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and grab the new one quick. Okay, let me grab a new one quick. Okay, perfect. And usually when you remove it, I forgot to mention, okay, you can see like that if it's burnt or not. That element should be continuous. If it's missing a piece, it's burnt. All you have to do, push it all the way in like that, guys. So, thank you guys for watching. That's the whole video. Hopefully we'll save you some money and some headache. Please. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.